This is a real customer site application from Central Asia. The system combines the SZGH-36J CNC Lathe with the SZGH-T1500 Industrial Robot for automatic loading and unloading. The T1500 robot works together with the CNC machine, workpiece tray, and fixture area to complete a practical automation workflow. This kind of robot loading solution helps reduce manual handling, improve production efficiency, and support more stable daily machining. During the visit, SZGH engineers communicated with the customer on site and reviewed the real application process. For small and medium manufacturers, this is a practical way to upgrade CNC machining production with robot automation. SZGH provides CNC machine tools, industrial robots, control systems, and customized automation solutions for global manufacturing customers. Contact SZGH for CNC machine and robot automation solutions.